All right, well, welcome back everybody. This is going to be a little tutorial how to create a logo or a watermark on your videos that you create in Davinci Resolve. I find or have found that the easiest way to do that is as follows. So you've got a brand new timeline ready to go, so you're going to import your media. So I'm going to import my media. Well, I'm going to import my, and it doesn't matter what order obviously, but I'm going to import the logo that I'm wanting to use as a watermark, and then I'm going to import the media that I plan on editing to render. So I'm just going to grab a video here. Drag your video to the edit timeline like you normally would. You've got your video on the timeline here, and then after you've done all your editing and everything that you want to do and you're ready to just about render it, the last thing you want to do is grab your logo, drop it in there, and then you're going to grab it and you're going to drag it out to the exact same length as your video is. And so you've got your watermark logo here. Of course, it's obviously too big, so I've found that this logo, for me, the size that I want it to be about 0.12. And so that's about the right size. And then of course the positioning of it. So you just come over here and you can click in the position area and drag while you're holding down your mouse to the position you want it. So I want it about right there, and then down, it's like 400 and something, negative 470, I think. And there you have it. And that's all there is to it. So now if I go back to the beginning of my video and I hit play, you've got your watermark here, the entire video link. Then now you're ready to render. So now you can do whatever else editing you need to do, and you can go to, obviously, you go to deliver, do your thing, add to queue, render it out. I hope that helped any other novice out there that was struggling this, just doing a search on, Google to find it, or watching videos. I thought I would create my own video from a novice's point of view. And I hope this helped somebody, and if it did, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks.